While you are chairman of the Minority Commission, you know that is the time when you also become member of parliament. You know, how did it happen?
You see, as you have mentioned, I am member of parliament independent.
Right,
I was chairman of Minority Commission.
right,
At that time, I had my feeling that I should also join parliament.
right,
Not that has. So I first wanted to be from Punjab,
right.
but I couldn't. Then some one day I was just sitting with Mr. Om Prakash Chutala, telling him that I wanted to be member of parliament. And he says, "Okay, then what happened?" I went for Punjab, they didn't agree. So then he wanted, why I am, because he says you are chairman of commission. Why you want to be? I told him I can work more, I have knowledge. I feel that I can serve better purpose of the state from which I represent. So in spite of I can have both posts.
Right.
I told him that chairman Minority Commission can
As
become
well
parliament
as member of
because that
parliament.
is already
Yes,
the provision.
yes.
So somehow he agreed.
Right.
He says, why not? Then I will help you to
Okay.
become from Haryana. So when this started, there were two vacancies. This after 2 years. So he was the chief minister.
Right.
But now for two vacancies, one seat was very sure,
Right.
where his son Ajay
Right,
Chautala
Ajay
became,
Chautala.
and second seat
That was
because
not.
that was a difficult at that time became, because he, BJP, Independent, even NCP, even BSP, they have one vote each.
Right.
So that then became that if I am an independent, all other groups will support me.
Right.
NCP won, this BSP won, BJP 7, 3, 4 independent, but the major share Chautala's party vote.
Basically, you are supported by a
By
large
all
number
these
of
parties,
you know.
and on this plea that I remain independent.
Right.
So they all supported and he won.
And
So that's how I entered in 2004.
There was also that matter, you know, that some MLAs were disqualified, and that matter was
Yes, that
eventually
began
went
to Supreme Court, but that was not affecting me, because even then with those 6 who were disqualified, I would have won by 1 vote. That was at that time, but even those 6 votes were disqualified, so I won by margin of 7 votes.
What has been your experience in Parliament, in Rajya Sabha as an independent member? How have you found, you know, what has been the functioning? How much of space have you been given, both in Parliament as well as in the media?
You see, Parliament entry is a big dream. I am lucky to be there. So I have vast now experience of almost 5 years in the Parliament
Right.
and in the upper house. One impression which I had in my mind, that elders, this upper house is elders' house,
Right.
which is a misconception. It's not that way. Secondly, I had earlier that there is such a freedom that you can anytime speak, anytime you will be given chance. Those no, not there. Here, the procedure is such that you hardly get time. You may be so good on a subject, you may be so good in your viewpoint, but you won't get chance to come up. Because the political parties, with the number they have, they get more time. The time is allotted on the basis of the strength of a political party.
Right.
And after that, the independents, they get chance. We are called the others.
Right.
So they got hardly chance. Even if we get chance, it is at the fag end.
Right.
And at the fag end means the house only we are sitting, 10, 12 people who are waiting for their chance. Even the media press gallery is empty. So that sometime we feel that the members independent like me or any other, because I have seen now even the former chairman of Reserve Banks, they are also have top Indian scientists.
Right.
They are also independent member. Top India's industrialist, also independent. They are never.
But you are the master of public relations. You should utilize this, you know, the skill of yours.
I am again lucky that I catch the eye of the presiding officer.
Right.
And I get time, and I always try to come up with my new ideas, which are always appreciated. But as you asked me general question on this, with the independent members are at loss. Although we once tried, because we are about 16 independent members.
Right.
That why can't we form a group?
Right.
And if that's strength 16, then we are much more than some political group, and we should be given time in that. But there is no such procedure in the parliament, because independents remain independent. They can't have that, like a political party, that power. But what generally also seen that the chairman and the vice chairman, they are quite appreciative about,
Definitely.
and they have some, you can say,
A
lenient
lot of
view,
encouragement also from their
lenient
side.
view,
Yes.
and they allow us
Yes.
to speak even sometimes on the main time, you see. Thirdly, a member themselves should have enough experience of how to work in. Because there are many times that you can come with your views as a special mention. Every week you are allowed.
Right.
That is a 3-minute time.
Right.
Then every day there is, if you want to move a special motion, that's allowed. So that then depends upon your skill and knowledge.
And also how much you are able to learn,
Yes.
you know, what are the procedures.
If
and
you
being
use
able
that occasion, then you can project yourself in a better way. That's what my experience has been. But in general debates, if we get time in the earlier hour, then perhaps our views may also be noted down by the media people. Because media, I am very sorry to say, they ignore all such people. They look only to the leaders of the groups, main opposition leader, main party leader, and after that they don't want even to note down what is being said. So that is one, that media should also think of this, that why not at least some correspondent should sit after there are enough number of correspondents with the newspapers and TV channels, but they ignore us.
You know, before we start reaching the end of this interview with you, you know, you have also moved a private member's bill, you know, seeking an amendment to the Article 25. You know, can you just tell us
That
about
is,
that?
through you and the channel, that is the one discrimination against the entire Sikh community. You see, everybody knows that Sikh is a separate religion and a minority religion. But somehow in the section 25, we are denied that. And just by removing a comma, just by one comma, it is done the way we want. And already the Constitutional Review Commission, headed by Justice Venkatachalaya, has recommended this. Then I have moved that bill, please, for
Yes.
sake of removing discrimination, give this at least the whole Sikh community
Well,
cries every day.
Well, Mr. Trilochan Singh, I hope, you know, that the private member's bill which we have moved
But they
on this
never
issue,
comes up.
you know, I'm sure, you know, it'll.
They
you
actually
know,
want
it'll
the
come out
government should
and
come
we-
forward.
Yes, and we hope, you know, that
Government should adopt it.
we hope it comes up, you know, and there is a healthy debate in Parliament. That is what
I should
Parliament
achieve.
is all about.
I
And,
wish. I wish.
Thank you very much
So
for
nice of you, Mr.
coming and you know, joining
You
us
have
on Lok
provided
Sabha
me this
television.
opportunity.
That's all for today. We hope that today's program has given you an opportunity to get an insight into the life and achievements of Sardar Trilochan Singh.